Hello, this is Renovation Update, day 31. Let's take a look around and see what has been done. So, in the bathroom, they're busy working on here to finish up the tiling, which will still be done. And then over here, they've just been working on the walls and getting it all nice and smooth because they need to still put the door on over here. In this area, they've given this wall the second coat of paint, and on this side they've finished up the drywall over here and they've made this so it's level, smooth. Over here you can see also the drywall up over here, and they've put my other light switch over here as well. And this wall has been given a second coat of paint, as well as this wall over here. And there's the other side of the drywall. There's a window that's going to go up over there, and yeah, my window is waiting to be installed. Yeah, I think that's it for day 31.